What is happening, people? It's Evans Willie here, and welcome to another one of my projects. So I bought this property as a 3-bedroom house, and it's currently being converted to a 6-bedroom all ensuite HMO. It's an amazing location. Literally, there's a hotel literally right there. Like literally 1 minute walk is a hotel. So it's got a couple options. I like to buy properties where there's 2 options, either I can convert it to a service accommodation or a HMO, right? So come with me and let me show you around. This is bedroom number 1. This room will generate £550 per calendar month. It's an ensuite bedroom. And most of the work here has been done. There's a few bits of tidying up. We've done the plastering already. First fix electric's been done. First fix plumbing has been done. It's just fitting the bathroom in there. So come with me, I'll show you bedroom number 2. Right. So where we're standing used to be the kitchen. I have built this hallway here, and I've converted the kitchen to a bedroom. Come, let's check it out. Right, so this is gonna be bedroom. We've built the ensuite in here. It's gonna bring in £550 per calendar month. Now, one of the reasons why I love West Yorkshire, because those properties always have got massive basements, right? So this basement will be my 3rd bedroom. It's gonna be an ensuite bedroom, which is gonna bring in £550 a month. There's not much light in there, but come with me, let's check it out. There's not much lighting. I ain't going in there, there's no lighting. I haven't been there for a little while. But anyway, this here is a bedroom, and the bathroom is right here. It's gonna bring in an extra £550 per calendar month. Right, there's 3 more rooms upstairs, let's check it out. This is bedroom number 4, ensuite bedroom, £550 per calendar month. This is bedroom number 5, ensuite, £550 per calendar month. This is bedroom number 6, an ensuite room, but this one is not £550, this one is £650 per calendar month, because it's all self-contained. We're gonna have a kitchen here just for this room. So this property, I bought it for £123,500. We're spending about £40,000 on the entire refurb, and the end value would be £240,000. How do I know that? Because I've got more than 1 property in this area. Also, one of my students, Mark, has got one just up the road, and it's been valued for £240,000. Very similar layout. So listen, if you want to learn how to do this kind of deals, hit me up, send me a DM. If you want to partner up and join venture or whatever it is, hit me up, let's connect and let's make this happen. Peace out, see you later.